On behalf of the Bridgend County Borough Council, I would like to acknowledge the valuable work that carers undertake on a daily basis across the county borough. Information from the most recent census identified that almost 18,000 carers are in the county borough alone, 2,000 of which are young carers. However, we also know that this is the tip of the iceberg. We want carers to know that we appreciate being a carer can be rewarding, but it can also be very challenging. I would like to say a big thank you for your ongoing dedication and commitment.
A young carer is a young person who helps with a disabled or elderly relative. That relative could have substance misuse issues, mental ill health, or physical issues. There's lots of support available in Bridgend for young carers, so if you do feel that you'd like some information or advice, please don't hesitate to call me on 07989 655 512. Stay safe, everyone.
I want to pledge my support for all the carers across Bridgend County Borough. I am aware that you face daily challenges, and often you felt unprepared for these. You never expected to find yourself in that situation, and that very often you've had no choice but just to keep on caring. I want to add my voice in recognition of your caring role, as I believe that as a nation we all need to step up and acknowledge the contribution that carers make to society. I'm raising my voice in recognition of you, and I pledge my support.
Hi, my name is Kathy and I'm the lead officer for carers at Bridgend County Borough Council. I'm also a carer and have been for the last 21 years. This is my son Jack that you can see in the background there. I just really wanted to say hello, to keep in touch with everybody. As usually during Carers Week, we're out and about meeting you all and sharing information and stories about our caring role. But I understand that this year Carers Week looks very, very different for all of us. And I understand that it's been a huge struggle, absolutely huge struggle for all of us. I wanted to let you know some good news really, that we've now launched our carers identification card, which can be used to support you in your caring role if you're having difficulty accessing supermarkets, or if, for example, you need emergency support when you're out and about. It would help emergency services and first responders know that you have a caring role and that somebody at home depends upon you. The card can be accessed along with lots and lots of other support through our Bridgend Carers Wellbeing Service. They operate a telephone system that is available for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and that number is 01656 336969. I hope that you're all keeping well, and I hope that you have the best Carers Week that you can given the circumstances, and I really look forward to seeing you all on the other side. Stay safe, everyone.
Bye!